the one who was standing on the bridge when he was in grade 5. And here comes a point whereby we have finished up the bridge under the initiative of Benicot, Time Desk, and we are going in for the 15th, 17th World Third Conference in Holland, more about sit to meet, and we are bridging the gap between the poor and the needy, having developmental aid as an initiative to make the way forward that we can have the same sit to meet here in Uganda. Where we're standing, it's on a river where the construction of the bridge was done, and then we're now looking the way forward to have our own developmental initiative aid, not focusing on donations. From the bridge point, there came the dream in 2004 to start up the project, which we started with 20 kids and 4 teachers in the current guest room. And out of that, the project has been standing on 25 rooms, and which have from nursery section to P7. Our focus is to have a self-running project. As I speak now, we have projects standing on the ground. We have a health and educational facility under construction. We have the library under usage. We have the ongoing, we normally meet to sit to meet meeting center, which is undergoing the construction. There in the background you see the children whom we care after. Our focus is to have a self-running project, having a microfinance bank and having rural women entrepreneurship so that they can self-help themselves in various projects. As we speak now, we have undergo Vocational Training Institute. We have tools available which came from WorkAid International, United Kingdom, and they are awaiting a room whereby the construction should be started on and teaching can go on. As we move on the focus after that, we are aiming at having the Catering and Hospitality Institute, as well as having ICT Center for training elementary skills in computer. And then our bottle building will focus on the meeting center to aim at having sit to meet Uganda in place.